Yes, you can make an effective non-liquid ant killer using borax by creating dry baits that ants will carry back to the nest. To make a powdered bait, combine 1 part borax with 3 parts powdered sugar and mix thoroughly until uniform. Place small amounts of this dry bait on shallow lids, bottle caps, or pieces of wax paper near ant trails and entry points, and replace every 2 to 3 days until activity stops. For a slightly moister option that still counts as non-liquid, dampen cotton balls with a borax solution made from 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of warm water, then allow the cotton to wick and hold the solution rather than saturate surfaces. Set these in shallow containers so they do not spill. Use powdered bait in dry locations and the dampened cotton method in areas where humidity helps scent spread, but where standing liquid is undesirable. Keep baits out of reach of children and pets by placing them inside overturned containers with small cut holes or under heavy furniture, and label any containers so others do not accidentally disturb them. Store unused borax in a sealed container away from food and living areas, and always wash hands after handling. Common mistakes include using too much borax, which repels ants instead of killing them. Stick to the 1:3 ratio and avoid heavier mixtures, as ants will avoid the bait. Another issue is placing baits where ants cannot find them or where competing food is present. Put baits directly on active trails or remove other food sources, so ants prioritize the bait. A third concern is expecting immediate disappearance. It can take several days to 2 weeks as workers carry the bait to the colony, so continue replenishing baits and be patient while monitoring progress. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists project types so we can help match needs to providers for ant control and other jobs. We also host a discussion community where we share experiences and tips, letting homeowners and contractors exchange practical advice and feedback.